Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a favorites video for you guys that I haven't done in literally so long. I used to do these all the time and I honestly have no idea why I stopped. I probably haven't done them in like at least 10 months, I want to say, or way last year, but I'm really excited because I have so many cool products, everything from beauty to lifestyle, like clothing and stuff like that, like accessories. So I have a lot of cool things to share with you guys, and I have a lot of products actually, like more than my usual favorite products. So I'll do like 8 products. I have a little bit more than that, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys, and just in general I miss talking to you guys. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start off with like clothing items, I guess you could say. So the first item I have are these beautiful handmade earmuffs. They're in the color navy blue, as you can see, and they have this really cute like handmade felt bow on the top. And I actually got these in Frankenmuth, Michigan, which for those of you that aren't from Michigan, you will not know that it's like kind of like a German town type thing, and with like shops and breweries and wineries, and it's just all like Bavarian style. It's really, really cool. So I got these from a little store. I think it was called like Girl Talk or something like that. It was just like a little boutique, but I love these. I've been in the market for like a really like girly pair of earmuffs, and I've been like had my eye on a lot from Kate Spade, but I found these for way cheaper and they were really cute. So I got those. Also, another thing that I've absolutely been loving for the winter season is my Louis Vuitton gray knit scarf. And you guys have probably seen in a million of my videos or my Snapchats or just anything, I'm constantly wearing this scarf. Now I know it is a bit pricey. I mean, a lot of people wouldn't spend this much on a scarf, but honestly, if you're in the market for just a good designer scarf that's gonna hold up and stay really nice even after all of your wears, I would definitely recommend this scarf. It is like a cozier scarf. They do have dressier scarves, obviously, at Louis Vuitton, but living in Michigan, I really wanted something that I can wear a lot and get a lot of use out of, and I definitely wear this all the time, and I love it. So for me, it was definitely worth the money, and I just love it. So yeah. Next I have for you guys this, actually it's like an Apple Watch band. Well, it is an Apple Watch band, and it looks like this, if you guys can see. So it has like the little rose gold detailing on the side. If it's gonna, hold on, I wanted to focus, there we go. So it has like the little rose gold detailing on the side, and then it just has the 3 like beaded bands. And I actually got this off of Amazon, and it was only $15. So I will have it linked down below for you guys. And I absolutely love it. I get so many compliments on it. It's definitely so different than the normal like band that the Apple Watch comes with. I think the band is awesome for like the gym and stuff like that, but when you go out and you still want to have your watch, because for me, I know I wear my watch every single day and I feel naked without it now. But if you do want something like dressier when you go out that goes along with all your bracelets and stuff, I would definitely recommend like a really pretty band like this. And it's really durable. I wear it every single day and it's stayed in perfect shape over the past like 2 or 3 months or so that I've had it. So I really like that. So again, I will have that link down below for you guys. So next, going along with like lifestyle and things like that, I have these earrings that I'm sure you guys have seen me wear as well. These are from Bobble Bar, and they just have like the black beads. I showed these to you guys in my, what I got for Christmas, I think it was, or some video. I showed these to you guys, but I really love these, and they're just like really statement earrings. They're not too heavy, so they're perfect to wear. I wear them to work all the time or just out, and they just like pull the outfit together. I love like a black and gold type statement earring, so I really like these. Again, these are from Bobble Bar. I will have those linked down below as well. So next I have, this is kind of different, but I have these, they're called wine wipes, and it says wipe that wine off your smile, and it contains 1 wipe in here. These I got from Marshall's. It comes in like a box of 15 or something like that, but they work really good. So if any of you guys are red wine drinkers like me, I usually, if I drink like 1 or 2 glasses, no matter what, I'll always get like redness on my lips right here, or like it stains my teeth red, and it's such an ugly look. It literally looks like you just sucked on a red popsicle and you have red all over your mouth. So with these, it completely takes that off, so I'm not like embarrassed to drink red wine or anything, or if you're like on a first date and you don't want to get red wine because you know it's gonna stay in your mouth, these are perfect. Just go into the bathroom and wipe those off. I'll try to find a link for these because I think they work really, really well. So next I have this Tarte Clean Queen deodorant. This is a vegan formula deodorant, which I have been in the market for a good one of these for a while now because I have heard a lot of bad things about the aluminum. I'm sure you guys have too, in deodorants for women that cause like breast cancer and stuff like that. So I really wanted a vegan style deodorant that actually works and lasts a while. So this doesn't last a long while. Like, I have to reapply it throughout the day, but it is like a good scented and well-working deodorant. So I really like this. I keep this in my purse just if I have to freshen up or something after a long day of, after a long day of work or something like that. So it does work really well, and it's not that expensive either. So I like that. Next I have for you guys this amazing smelling perfume that I've been obsessed with. This is by Chelsea Herrera, I believe it is. Carolina Herrera. This is by Carolina Herrera, and it's this really cute like high heel. This is the smaller version, but it still lasted me a long time so far. So it just has like this gold really pretty heel, and it pops off like that. It smells so good. It's definitely like it's not a floral scent, so it's more of like a feminine, like deeper woodsy scent with like a hint of like a peppery, I guess. I don't know. It sticks so well. It smells so good. Again, I get so many compliments on it. So I'm obsessed with this perfume. I would definitely recommend it for you guys. Next, I have, was a gift from a friend actually, and I've been loving it. It's from the Heritage Store, and it's Rose Water Aromatherapy Spray. So you can use this for, it says aromatherapy mist, body splash, and it's made from European roses. So I just spray this all over my face after my makeup, and it just like makes your makeup stay, and it's all natural. It smells really, really good, and I love it. Next I have, this is a brand new product that I just got, but I had to include it because I'm already obsessed with it. This is the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in the scent cherry soda. You guys, it smells just like a cherry soda slushie at the movies. Like, it smells so amazing, and so is the packaging is so amazing. Like this red chrome, I'm obsessed with it. I've already been so in love with the Jeffree Star lip scrub, so I had to get this one, and it smells so good. They also work really good too, obviously, but I love, love, love that scent. So next I have for you guys, this is a foundation combo that I've been obsessed with lately. This is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the color Ivory. So I've been loving this. I've been really in the market for just a really good full coverage foundation for drier skin, and this is for all skin types. So what I do is I usually mix it with this L'Oreal Inflammable Pro Glow Foundation, and in this I am in the color 207 Sand Beige. So I just put this all over my face and then pump like 1 or 2 pumps of this on my brush, just because I am so dry skin. Even though this is good for all skin types, I do need a little bit more of like a dewy finish, so I just add this in. This is my favorite combination right now for when I'm not super, super tan in the winter, so I've been loving that. And that Vanish Stick Foundation is amazing, and so is the Inflammable Foundation by L'Oreal. So next I have this Melted Matte by Too Faced. This is in the color Lady Balls. This is an awesome red color. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I'm pretty sure I have. It's the perfect red color for someone who is not too tan skin, but not too fair skin as well. So a lot of reds can tend to wash my face out, but this is the perfect cherry red for like my dark hair, my skin tone. I just love it. So let me swatch it for you guys so you can see it. It's just like the perfect like cherry red color. Let's see if it's gonna focus. So I love, love, love that color. Next I have the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. There's not much to say about this except for that I've been loving it. So it has like this really big skinny type wand. It's really good for your lower lashes and your top lashes. So anything that's good for top and lower lashes, I find like such a staple in my collection, because when I'm going on a trip or just going somewhere overnight, I don't have to pack too many mascaras. I can just pack one. It's good for falsies. It's good for top and bottom lashes. So I really, really like that. Next I have this Sélah Cosmetics. This is the Sunset Cove glitter, or glitter and glow. So this is like a pinkish color glitter. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. I have it on my eyes right now. I usually, let's see if you guys can see. So it's super shiny, super pigmented and beautiful. These are my favorite glitters, and this pink color just really pulls like any neutral or like bronzy colored look together. I'm obsessed with it. So I have two more things for you guys, and the last things I wanted to share with you guys are palettes. So the first palette I have is this Park Avenue Princess palette. Now there's been a lot of mixed reviews about this on YouTube going around, and honestly I really love this palette. I think it's beautiful. I actually just gave away one to a giveaway winner on my channel, and I had to go out and buy one for myself too because I thought it was so pretty. So you just have your two lighter shades and then all of your contour shades. It's perfect because it has every type of skin tone type contour color that you would need, and I really love it. So you have a glittery shade and then you have one glittery shade and then 5 matte shades. So it really just has everything you need, and it has this big beautiful mirror, and the packaging is so beautiful. It's all rose gold. So I really love that. It's really good to contour with, really pigmented. I love that. So last but not least, I have this Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. Now the packaging is beautiful, and then you just pull this out. It has the mirror in the middle, and then on this side you have like your pretty like deeper colors, and then you have your neutrals on this side. So I really love this palette. I think it has a little bit of everything to just add some pop of color to your eyes. I usually do like a matte shade in the crease, and then I'll just pop some of these shadows on here, and they look so stunning. Okay, I'm looking down because I'm trying to put that back in the packaging, but honestly you guys, if you're looking for like a metal or foil type eyeshadow palette, this is a really beautiful one. It has color combination for everyone. Like I said, you get your neutrals and your like really pretty fun colors, so it has something for everyone. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed talking to you guys, and I missed you all, and I love doing these favorites videos. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more favorites videos like I used to do, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.